What up? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Got a couple things going out today. The boys are excited. Why are you excited?
Because you got something going out today.
Bruh. Yeah, I'm always excited because I got something going out. But they got like a little basketball workout today. A little one-on-one. They haven't did basketball in a while since this pandemic, right? You breaking out your Kyries? Let me see those.
Hey, put pants on.
Hey.
How does that have to put pants on? He doesn't.
He just trying on his Tyrese. Chill out. Anyway, got a couple pair of socks going out today. I actually got more than this, but these is what I got down so far. Look at this. I don't want y'all to see the address, so let me flip that over. Some burgers and some fries. And then this is just a custom pair. And a couple things going out for eBay today too. A couple patches. I put the prices on the screen. I think it's one for like $39.99. I forget what that one went for. Got a vest going out. It's actually a one of them army vests. I'll go ahead and put that comp on the screen too. I got that at a auction a while back. I remember I got like 4 or 5 vests and they all went for pretty good money. That's the last one I got and I'm glad to get rid of that one.
Yes, sir.
What else I got going out? Oh, I got a game that I gotta go pick up at the office, and I actually ran out of. I gotta go to the old method. I ran out of what are they called? Anyway, I ran out of these, so I'm having to cut. Excuse me, I'm having to cut and paste on here. I didn't actually run out. I got some at the office, but at home when I ship, I've only got a limited supply of stuff, so I'm having to do old school method. I still ain't got me a Rolo or Dymo or any of those yet. So your boy still, you know, doing the pull and pick with the,
come on,
what is that, the 5x7? Making some socks. Let's get into it. Let me give you a closer look. We got these. These is going out to Mike. Shout out to Mike. I appreciate you, my brother. He got 2 pair of these. These right here, I believe, are going out to Vicky. Yes, Vicky. Shout out to Vicky. Vicky's right across the bridge from me. Shout out to the Jeffersonville area. These right here are going to my guy over at Commonwealth Flipper. He bought 3 pair from me, and I believe he got it from somebody because they're going to a different address. So, Kevin, if you want to know what they look like, I hope the person you buying for does not watch my channel. But these turned out great, Kevin. I like how they turned out. Let me give you a better look.
Yeah, we stopped it. Can we stop at 2 points?
That's my son over there talking loud. Hey, all right, I'm back. My son making a bunch of noise.
Bruh.
These right here are going out to Jason. Now, Jason wrote me a nice note. Jason, I appreciate you. I'm the same way, man. If I know somebody's selling something, especially if I need it, I'm going to buy it from them and support small business. You understand what I'm saying? Now, Jason, I also read that you wanted me to send you like a draft of what the sock will look like before I print it. And man, I got so much going on, I forgot. So I hope you like it. Let me spread it out a little bit. Spread it out for you. These turned out great, man. I basically made a collage. I cut their heads out of the pictures and just made a nice collage, and they turned out great, man. So I hope you like them. So yeah, that's all I made today. I got a bunch that I'm still doing. I got stuff printing right now. I'm still doing things. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and ship these off now and get over to the office. Got a couple things going out over there, so let's get over there and see what's up. Oh yeah, before we go, I got 2 packages I need to open. Let's just get straight into it. Let me find some scissors. First one right here is, let me tell you the story. I won some stuff in an auction about a week or 2 ago, and I got so much stuff that I thought they gave me everything, they didn't. Long story short, I went to order this place had another auction the next week, and I was going through the list of the stuff that they were selling, and I noticed that some stuff that I won was up on that auction. They was actually selling something that I already won, but they forgot to pack.
Tripping, receiving team number 5, 10-yard penalty, first down.
Come on now. Anyway, I go and email them. It's like, hey man, I won this auction already. Look, I already had the receipts and everything. They was like, oh yeah, we must have forgot. Come on, yeah, they knew what they was doing. Bruh. Anyway, I went to pick it up at that time, but I wasn't great go. It's about 50 an hour away. They sent it to me, and this is the box. So let's see what we got. It's a couple hats actually. It's some nice ones actually. Some Harley Davidson hat. Nice made in USA Harley Davidson hat right there. Another hat right here. Made in USA. What else we got in here? And 2 more Harley Davidson hats. So basically 4 Harley Davidson hats. These are some nice, and they go for pretty good money. Made in USA. So yeah, they try to get your boy on, but luckily I looked at it, and usually I don't, but I just happened to see what they had because they had good stuff the previous time. So I just said, hey, let me get back on here and see what they got this time. And I seen this lot, and I was like, same picture and everything. They ain't even try to switch it up. Anyway, shout out to them for sending it to me. Next thing I got, shout out to Fundamentals of Side Hustling. That's the YouTube name, so go check him out. He actually has a show that he does every Wednesday where he gets fellow resellers and stuff like that on there, and you know, they talk reselling, but they talk other stuff too, so it's a great show. I forget exactly when it comes on, but I think it's Wednesday at 8 o'clock, so it might be 7. My fault, Derek. Bruh. Anyway, I bought a shirt from him. Fundamentals of Side Hustling shirt. Look at that. That's one of my favorite color characters back in the day. And I got the white one. He had black, but at the time when I was ordering, they were sold out. Come on, man. Fundamentals of Side Hustling. How to get that. I always got to support my fellow brethrens. So I appreciate it, Derek. Eric actually bought a shirt for me as well. So, you know, whenever I know somebody's selling some type of merch or something like that, I try to get it. I got merch from pretty much all resellers here. So I appreciate it, man. It made it. I know you was telling me that you was, you know, but it's here, and then I can rock your merch. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get over here and get to the office. All right, made it to the office. You know how you get that order and it's always a couple of orders. It's not in custom SKU and you be like, oh my God, where is this at? I got a couple things like that today that where, you know, before I started doing the little custom SKU thing, keeping up with everything, knowing exactly where everything was, it was just out there. And this stuff is just out there and I gotta find it. I don't even know if it's here. It might be back at home. Bruh. Hopefully it's here. Let's just get into it. And first thing, I actually know where that is. It's Beth Phoenix wrestling figure. Let's go ahead and pull that on out. It's in the wrestling box. I've been selling these pretty good. I got these for $2.50 a piece. I think I got about, I think I got 18 of them at the time, so did pretty good. I got these along with some other stuff. Beth Phoenix, there we go. Get my phone so I can tell you how much this sold for. Beth Phoenix. Beth Phoenix sold for $24.99 plus shipping. Buyer's about, oh, I don't know how much the buyer. The buyer paid priority shipping with that, so buyer's about $35 into that. That's not right, but you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, come on, man.
Next thing I sold was James Pond 2. It's a game. Let's see if we can find James Pond. Hopefully James Pond is here because I got games in 2 different spots. It would be great if James Pond is here. So let's see what we got going on here. Here we go, Sega Genesis game. I don't know why I was looking for a GameCube game. James Pond 2. James Pond. This one sold for $12.99 plus shipping. Next thing I'm looking for, and this is one of those things I was telling you about. It's a power adapter for a laptop. I think I remember seeing this though. Got this a while back at the Ben store. Yeah, I don't have no custom SKU, so let's see what we doing here. Yep, so I found it, I think. Golly, after looking through 1,000 pens. This sold for $29.99. Is it plus shipping? Yeah, $29.99 plus shipping. My God. Next thing I saw was a vintage Hanes 80s thermal underwear. I don't know if it's the, I already know exactly what it is. I already pulled that ready for me. Look, right here. It's actually a thermal. It's not the underwear part. It sold for $14.99 plus shipping. Next thing I sold, which I got from an auction, a while back. It's way up there. Oh God, can I get it? Right here, man. It's actually a nice piece. I started to keep it for myself to put on my bar, but I need to stop keeping stuff. It's actually like a newspaper stand. It's an old vintage. This one right here went right by the mailbox, and that's where they used to put the newspaper at. The Courier Journal, that's the newspaper here in Louisville. It actually has Courier Journal there and Times right here. So this finally sold. It actually sold for $100, $99.99 plus shipping. Actually went to somebody in Chicago. I had a couple people ask about it. Sent me Lobo offers that lived here in Louisville, but somebody from Chicago paid full ass. So I knew it would sell. This was the only one on there. One like it has sold previously for $100, and mine was in a little bit better condition. So I'm glad it sold. Time to get it out there and ship it. Last but not least, I cannot pull it because it's at home. Dang, I should look at this before I left. Anyway, it's a dual bull lock. It wasn't the whole thing, it was just part of it. I got that from the Ben store, I remember. I believe I got it for like on $2 a day. Anyway, it sold for $24.99 plus shipping. So yeah, that's all I got going out. Sold a bunch of socks. Still gotta go home and make a bunch. But I got out where I need to get out today. Probably got another 15, 20 pair I gotta knock out. So see that? Craveusluvus. That name I just showed you, Craveusluvus, that's actually my eBay name. That's my business name too, my LLC. So when I got this place, of course, I guess they just decided to use my LLC name, which I didn't want that to be my name. I want my business to be something cool, you know what I'm saying? Like Tesla Pick Studios, bruh. I don't know, something cool. Probably not that, but something. But I looked in there today and I was walking and I see they had changed up the cards and they put my name on there and they spelled it wrong. That's not how I spell it. Come on now. Oh, come on. Come on now. Can I get some type of respect? Straight up. Y'all remember those toilet seats that I got from an auction? And well, let me show them to you real quick. These right here. Well, turns I found out as I started to go through them, these toilet seats are not the ones that's inside. These are some, it looked like they changed out toilet seats and put the old ones in here, which is gross. They wasn't dirty or nothing, but as I started going through them, I could tell they've been used. So guess what they doing? They going in here. That's the thing you gotta watch out for auctions. Auctions, you get pictures, that's it. So you can be bidding on a box with nothing in it. You know what I'm saying? So you don't actually know what you're getting until you get it. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. In this case, I didn't get lucky. So these are going in there. Next day, it's been a long week, man. I've been working 8, 12-hour days, coming, knocking out these socks. Now look what I got. some Baltimore socks. Again, I want to thank the customers. I'm not gonna name a lot of people because I got a lot of stuff, and this video will be 2 hours long. But I appreciate y'all sending me photos, letting me do what I do, and telling me to just work my magic. I appreciate that, because around Christmas time, taking orders and having people send me like specific things, that would take forever. So thanks a lot, people. I appreciate it. Some Baltimore Ravens socks. I'm a Baltimore Ravens fan because Lamar Jackson went to the University of Louisville, so I've been following him. So I'm not a true fan, but I'm a fan of the quarterback. So thanks a lot. Let me see if I can get that name without showing the address. Thanks a lot, William, for purchasing those. And these right here are from Amber. She sent me a picture. World's smartest power friend. These turned out real good. I made the sock the same color as like his shirt, so I can kind of match him with that. So I hope you like that. These turned out great. Hope you like those. And these right here are Deborah. Deborah, I appreciate you. She sent me a bunch of pictures of her Yorkie, and it turned out good. I hope you like those. Drake socks. This is somebody who just wanted some Drake socks. I got a lot of people who want Drake and Kanye socks. They see, I post them on social media, they see it, they're like, hey, can you make me some? So guess what I do? I make them. Straight up! Same with these. These last three are word of mouth. People just seen them on social media and asked me if I can make them some. So that's always good when we can get sales like that. So yeah, that's it. With that, I got 2 things going out. I don't know if we're taking pictures of the holly hats I showed y'all yesterday. This one right here is actually in great shape. I like this, made in USA. If I wore hats, I would keep this. But my head is big, and I got dreads, so it makes it another inch or so. I wore a size 8 without dreads, and then with dreads, I probably wore like a 9 or a 10 in hats. I fitted hat. Bruh. Oh yeah, I forgot my eBay orders. Just got a couple patches going out, as y'all know. This patch, I forget how much they went for, so I'm just gonna let y'all see them. But the patches do good, man. I only paid 37 cents each for these. With this one, I got at a estate sale, and I'm less than that into this, and I got a bunch of those too. But it's a USA patch. Hey, what's going on with you, man?
Hey, David.
You doing all right?
All right, sir. I'm at the show.
Oh.
It's cooler than hell.
And cooler, yeah.
It is. I saw some of them $100-something on the internet, you know.
Oh, really?
That particular model.
The model? Yeah, this is going in the basement, but it looks pretty nice. I appreciate it. Alright, wanted to show you guys here real quick. It's just a cooler. Got some nicks on it though. Fairly clean though by the pictures. Let's see. So it is used. Nice looking cooler. Comes with the original box though. I paid $20 for it. 20.
Yes, sir.
It's a Coleman. This is a Facebook Marketplace though. Not eBay. A little too big for me. Facebook Marketplace. We'll see. I guess I'm gonna end the video here at soccer practice with my boy. A 7-year-old. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good.